Hello friend, if you have an iPhone, you are using iPhone and your iPhone is locked. How to unlock it? You can watch the full video. We will tell you step by step in the video how to unlock your iPhone. Also without data loss, without passcode, you can try the all method of the video and watch it first. If you want, then subscribe to our channel and definitely press the bell icon because we always upload the video on iPhone. Do not forget to subscribe as you can see our iPhone is locked. Now we are telling you step by step, follow us. We are doing it. Here is a video. Thanks.